Hi, thanks for watching the speech sharing channel. For the last half years, due to my work, I've been playing with Docker. So in the next 5 minutes, let's briefly touch about the basic of Docker. Are you ready? Let's go! Docker is a software product that uses OS-level virtualization to deliver software. So it is somewhat like a virtual machine. However, unlike virtual machines, Docker containers share a same kernel, which makes it more lightweight than virtual machines. One of the most attractive things for playing with Docker is, of course, Docker Hub. In Docker Hub, there are tons of softwares for you to play with, and you know what is the best part of it? You can get the software up and running in minutes to seconds and without even have to install it. Once you've finished playing, you can simply remove the Docker container and the image, and you're good to go. When it comes to software development, with Docker, you can be sure that your software behaves exactly the same, no matter in development environment, testing environment, or production environment. That makes your debugging work much easier. Of course, one of the most attractive advantages is that you can scale up your container very easily, no matter it is vertically or horizontally. And you can even configure the restart policy of the containers. Let's discuss about some basic Docker terminologies. Docker container. A Docker container is a standard unit of software that packages code and all its dependencies so that the application can run quickly and reliably from one computing environment to another. A Docker container image is a lightweight, standalone, executable package of software that includes everything needed to run an application. Docker image. A Docker image is roughly equivalent to a snapshot. It is made up of multiple layers that is used to execute code in a Docker container. An image is essentially built from the instructions for a complete and executable version of an application, which relies on the host OS kernel. When the Docker user runs an image, it can become one or multiple instances of that container. Docker registry. A Docker registry is a store and distribution system for Docker images. The same image might have different versions identified by the tags. A Docker registry is organized into Docker repositories, where our Docker repository hosts all the versions of a specific image. Docker Hub. Docker Hub is a public Docker registry service provided by Docker for finding and sharing container images. Docker Compose. Docker Compose is a tool for defining and running multiple Docker containers in the same host. With Docker Compose, containers can communicate with each other within the same Docker network. That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you find this useful, please share this to your friends and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.